Going on the canoe ride. Haven't done this yet. Should be interesting. It's about 60 degrees out here. Should be fun. What do you think? Finn isn't funny again. Not really the canoe, but you can't beat views like this, can you? I think that's Stonehenge right there, where the Mesopotamians first, what am I talking? I don't even know what a Mesopotamian is. Okay, our goal here is to walk this down and jump back into the water over there. We're gonna give it our best. Finn isn't funny. Do you hear that? You hear the rapids? We're coming up. Definitely going the right side. I know the line I want to take. Here, since you don't paddle, you do the photography.
Come to rapids, you can hear them. Ah. You want me to hold this while we're going down the rapids?
Where are we going?
Probably that way.
And to the right?
To the right.
Which way do we want to come up it? Was it to the right or to the left?
I don't know. To the right it looked like it wasn't as steep a... I don't know. The rapids are really bad to the right and they're less to the left. Maybe to the left.
I was thinking the right would be a little more fun.
Whatever you think is more fun. Since your Finn is funny.
Like that, right? Oh, we got rapids. No, let's move.
Here we go. Here we go. Going sideways on this one. Oh, shit. That's awesome. It's much better going downstream than upstream. Oh, we're gonna hit the rock.